for being here. You know where to go at 7 o'clock. Yeah, you want your eyes to pop a little. You want to hit a dopamine. People, on tap, right here, right now. Oh, and we're talking about Zentrix. People, premier metal. Yeah, check it out.
Disgrace, simple ideals that you embrace. Trade me, guilt free. I am bleeding out, I'm bleeding out.
People, 21,000 monthly listeners, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of them. Since 1985, these guys are from England. It's from their 2019 album, Bury the Pain. Let it do for you what it has done for me. It's taken this metal ghoul. Oh, it's almost a religious experience. I saw a tunnel and a light. People are brothers and sisters in Britain. Do you know what they have to say about this band, Xentrix? This is a killer quote. Check it out. Every song is a ball-tearing, arse-raping song. People, who gets a review like that? Zentrix. Oh, yeah. This is like, no, people, this is British riffs mixed with, like, the Bay Area sound. Thrash. Thrash metal in the highest order. Zentrix. All right, check out these lyrics, because these guys are very deep. You know, a lot of people think thrash is pizza and beer, and that's nothing wrong with that, right? We've all partaken. But there's a lot of lyrics with depth. Listen to these lyrics. Carve your name into my conscience while you're feeding me a rotting feast of lies. Counterfeiting every kindness. Hell under your wing. You're the devil in disguise. Silent deeds remain unpunished. I'll never be released. Praise my life. Bleed me dry. I'm bleeding out. People, the depth. Now, I don't know who he's singing about or what he's singing about. I have my guesses. Anyways, it's time, people. You, me, and Zentrix. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
As as well, or is this all just commonplace? You take, forsake, promises made were all just fake. Obey, betray, never more devout. Hard face, disgrace, simple ideals that you embrace. Trade me, guilt free. I am bleeding out, I'm bleeding out.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. People, Zentrix with the song Bleeding Out. You gotta have that on your playlist. People, wasn't that fun? Heavy metal. Just a soundtrack to life. And if you don't listen to heavy metal, I'm so sorry for you. You need to repent and change your ways. Because heavy metal takes you to the next level of living. Yeah. People, it's me with another reminder. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Engage. Hell, if you don't like it, leave a thumbs down. But engage, people. I'm giving you some of this, and you give me some of that. And people, we engage. Oh, people, let's get engaged. Yeah. People, have you seen the survey going around on the internet, the SMV? Yeah, Sexual Market Value Survey. It gives you a score from 1 to 5, 1 being meh, and 5 being, oh yeah. People, I took the questionnaire, 5 questions. The first one was, are you young and youthful? Check. Are you handsome and beautiful? Check. Are you lean and muscular? Oh, very much so. Check. Long hair? Check. And do you watch Metal Mascara? People, a head scratcher. I said, Metal Mascara? Of course I do. I checked off that box. People, raise your sexual market value score and watch Metal Mascara. Spend every night at 7 with me. And watch your sexual value go through the roof.